แล้วก็
Oh my god
ดีมากแม่ดีแตกมาก
เป็นไงล่ะ My god
ดีมากแม่ดีแตกมาก
So, inyo pong nakita at napanood itong outfit ni Atisa at yung reaksyon ng mga netizen dito sa kanyang pa-outfit today dahil November 9 na ngayon at day 8 na dito sa Miss Universe 2025. So, kita nyo mga kapolitika na kahit dito sa event nila sa cruise ay nakasuot ng blue itong outfit ni Atisa at talagang kahit saan sa mapadpad, kahit saan siya pumunta ay andun talaga siya ang paborito ng lente ng mga camera dito sa Phuket. So kahit doon sa Bangkok and then dito sa Phuket is siya din ang pinagkakaguluhan at talagang pinag-uusapan ng mga vloggers na kung saan ay gustong-gustong kunan ng imahe at ng video itong si Atisa Manalo. So isa lang mga kapolitika ang malinaw sa ngayon na itong si Atisa ay isang crowd favorite. Kung kaya naman ay hindi maiwasan ng mga taga, especially dito sa mga kapitbahay natin na mainggit dito sa ganda na taglay ni Atisa Manalo. At ngayon nga is talagang kinukuha yung mga hindi magandang anggulo na pictures ni Atisa at pinopost doon sa grupo. Napakarami po ang nagre-react, pero hindi po tayo apektado dito sa mga pambabash nila at mga online attack sa ating manok sa Miss Universe dahil alam natin na itong ating representative dito sa competition ay walang halong retoke. So ang beauty ni Atisa, it's all natural, hindi katulad doon sa kanilang candidate na si Sanli na kung saan ang sabi ay pinagawa di umano yung kanyang mukha. So kahit ganun pa man is hindi po tayo nababahala, hindi tayo na-alarma, hindi tayo natithreaten at hindi tayo nasasaktan dito sa kailang ginagawa kasi alam natin kung nasaang level itong si Atisa Manalo ko ikumpara sa kailang mga manok dito sa Miss Universe 2025. So hindi tayo kinakabahan mga kapolitika kasi alam natin na yung kailang candidate is hindi threat dito sa nasabing competition. So yung ating fear, yung ating pinapangambahan lang talaga ay yung mga candidate, mga pambato ng Latinas. Pero dito sa Indonesia walang kaba itong kanilang pambato dito sa edisyon ng Miss Universe kasi alam natin na ginagawa lang naman nila ito dahil naiinggit sila dito kay Atisa Manalo. Samantala nanawagan po kasi may nag-comment doon sa ating naunang mga videos na i-post ko daw yung announcement dito sa mga pabotohan ng Miss Universe sa pamamagitan ng ating candidate na si Atisa. So narito po at na-post rin po ito ni Atisa dito sa kanyang page at ang sabi dito, every vote counts. Let's show the world the power of Bayanihan spirit. Download the Miss Universe app powered by Zetrix. Vote for the Philippines in these categories: most beautiful people, beyond the crown, most photogenic, people's choice, Miss Congeniality, best skin, best evening gown, best national costume. So narito po yung instruction paano po tayo magboto dito sa ating candidate sa Miss Universe. How to vote. Number 1, download the Miss Universe app on the App Store or Google Store. Earn free votes by watching ads or purchase votes directly. Vote for the Philippines in all available categories. So ang sabi ay makakaboto tayo doon sa panonood ng ads or pwede rin po tayong bilhin natin yung boto para makount doon sa points ni Atisa Manalo. So either way is tulungan na lang po tayo dito sa mga magiging hakbang natin para matulungan ang ating kababayan na lumalaban dito sa Miss Universe competition. Pero hindi ako sure mga kapolitika kasi nga yung iba is nadala na doon kay Michelle D. Okay, na kung saan is Hakot Award at talagang ginawa ng mga Pilipino yung lahat para tulungan siya at suportahan doon sa kanyang laban sa El Salvador, only to find out na maliligwak lang pala siya at lutuin yung resulta ng kompetisyon. So hindi ko alam kung nadala na yung mga Pinoy or yung iba marahil sa atin is boboto pa rin bilang support dito kay Atisa Manalo. Okay? So yun ang pinaka-latest ngayon dito sa sa mga ganap sa Miss Universe. Dito pa rin po sila sa Phuket at nakita nyo mga kapolitika na sa cruise sila. Masasabi natin na hindi talaga sila pinabayaan at hindi sila tinipid ni Nawat dito sa kanilang mga pa-activities, mga pa-events, even yung mga venues ay talagang masasabi natin na 5-star quality ang experience ng mga candidate ng Miss Universe 2025. So ang pakiusap lang ni Nawat para ma-promote yung tourism ng lugar nitong Phuket, kasi lagi natin itong narinig mga kapolitika even doon sa Miss Grand at yung Phuket at Pattaya. And ngayon ang gusto lang ni Nawat is i-share sa kailang mga social media account yung lugar na kung saan is nandun sila, yung mga kaganapan, yung mga activities sila, yung mga performances nila, i-share lang daw. Yun lang ang pakiusap ni Nawat dito sa mga candidate para ma-promote yung turismo ng lugar. So hindi naman siguro mabigat na task yun, kasi libre lang naman mag-share at in return na rin ito dito sa quality services na ibinibigay ng MGI staff or ng MGI team sa mga Miss Universe delegates. Okay? So yun mga kapolitika, mga pinaka-latest na update, mga pinakasariwang issue at makaganapan dito sa Miss Universe 2025. Ano po ang inyong mag-reaksyon dito sa naging pa-outfit ni Atisa ngayon sa 8th day na ng Miss Universe 2025 dito pa rin sa Phuket? And I believe sa mga sunod na araw ay lilipad na naman sila doon sa sa Pattaya na naman na lugar. Okay, so abangan natin ang mga kaganapan ni Atisa. So ano po ang inyong mag-reaksyon dito mga kapolitika sa pambabash ng mga Indonesian sa ating representative na si Atisa Manalo, at ano rin po ang inyong maging reaksyon dito sa venue at the same time sa pa-outfit ni Atisa today na kung saan is naka sky blue itong ating manok dito sa Miss Universe 2025. Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At narito po yung ibang mga kaganapan kuha ng Missology ngayong araw dito sa cruise ng mga delegates ng MU 2025.
Oh, like, yeah. I don't wanna name names. You know, you understand that, yeah. Yeah. Yes. Because he was scared that he is Jinx. That's why he said, I don't want because I am Jinx. Yeah, but I said, no. I said, no, you're never a Jinx. You're always a blessing. I told him. Yeah, it's been our topic since the past 2 days. See you, Vina. Hi. Hello. Hi, Chris. Miss Aruba. Miss Bonaire. The always loving and caring and mothering. Rwanda. Many people are saying that your gown is inspired by Michelle D's Miss Universe gown. She love it too. Okay, MND like her post because her gown is inspired by the black gown of Michelle.
Read my caption. It says that as women, we stand on many shoulders of others. Those that came before us and that will come after and shine light to everyone.
I know, so good. And she liked your post.
Yes.
Michelle D. Wow. Liked only.
No, we haven't messaged. I literally just said that we're inspired by each other and she loved the post and I thought it was so important for all of us to show how much we continue to be inspired.
Is she one of your most favorite?
Miss Tanzania.
So many of
Gorgeous.
like I'm a mother of four.
The U.S. Virgin Islands. Brazil. Bom dia, galera. Good, so beautiful. Look at her. Pakistan, always stunning, and I love the hair, the detail. I'm good. I'm so happy. And you have good sleep. I haven't seen my friend, your Joss. Is he arrived already? I was with him last breakfast yesterday.
Okay.
Bangkok, yeah. Miss Myanmar, say hi to all of your fans. A lot of fans from Myanmar rooting for you. Yes. And my beautiful USA, look at you. This is how you prepared in LA for 1 week. Bye. Dzień dobry, dziękuję. So beautiful. Ay, Slovakia. Hi, babies. Belgium. That green is so beautiful. Chartreuse, right? Wow. Palestine. Hola. Ukraine. I thought I'll be seeing the twins sa Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan. Hi. Trini, I love you. India, Manika, Nepal. Hi, Miss Peru. Look at those eyes. She's giving me Dayanara Torres. Beautiful. Yeah, really. Israel. You have lots of fans now waiting for Puerto Rico. Such a goddess. Last night you were just amazing. You were killing it. I know. Look at the back, the details, the earrings. In beautiful orange. That hair. I know. It brightens the day, right? So how was yesterday? So it's for practice. I know it's like a learning for a driving school. Now you are there. You're actually driving. But not in full speed, just enjoying the ride, right? And I felt like every day is fashion show for all of you. I can't imagine how many suitcases you have. I love you, baby. This is another gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful girl, El Salvador, who's been like consistent every day. I know a lot of your people are so happy and excited, like following you. And it's Miss Universe season. Hi, Zambia. Your fans are like happy. Thank you. Korea, Botswana. Last night you're just stunning. I have a video. I haven't sent it to you. Beautiful. Yeah, your twin Kazakhstan is there. I said, where is she? Where is she? The other one. Hi, Saint Lucia. Look at those earrings. It's so beautiful. Those earrings are so beautiful. And I love the salmon color here. Gorgeous. Joanna, don't hide. Say hi to all of your your fans. Look at her color. Isn't it stunning on her? I know the slit is slitting. Ooh, beautiful. Hope all of you have a good sleep, yeah? And also, she's been like, people are asking for her. She's a goddess, you know? She's a top model, I can say. Look at her.
Good.
Just beautiful.
So far.
So we are waiting for the other girls. We have Nadia here. Nadia. Yummilex. So yummy. Yummilex. The color. The earrings. I love you. Beautiful in orange. Hi, Malaysia. We have Miss Gran. Did got the award just passed, right? No. I saw her already.
She's in the
Ah, there. She's there. Emma, Mary, Pampanga. Grand International now. Mabahong Phuket o malaking Phuket? Beautiful Phuket. Beautiful. And Yona Beach is amazing. It's all white. It's giving me White Lotus vibe. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah. Because their hotel is at Four Seasons. Hi, baby, Miss Switzerland. Hi. Olivia. Olivia. I love you, baby. Nadia. They're so beautiful. Those earrings, Nadia. I love you. Hi, Cuba. Always stunning, statuesque. See you. And then the Emma, Mary. Ay. Pero parang lumalaban pa rin eh.
Pero kahit wala kang ginagawa, namumuksa ka pa rin.
Oo. Emma!
Baklang-bakla talaga.
So,